Hi, Richard Huntley here and welcome to the new video. If you don't know by now, I like to take a few exercises and I like to try and combine them together to get the best workout possible for you. 2 exercises today. Let's take the regular jumping jack star jump like people do like this, okay? Then you're going to add in a sumo squat. When we put them together, this is what happens. So beautiful mix together, okay? We're going to make a star jump to sumo squat baby. Watch here carefully. Okay, only joking. So we're coming in here. We're going to go there, down, and up. Down and up. Frontwards on. So it is going to be slower. So when you're doing the normal speed, it will be more like this. Okay? Regular, regular star jump, jumping jack. You're going to get some speed with it. But this, you're going to slow up because you have to bend the legs a little bit more. Bearing in mind the sumo squat, we're keeping the toes slightly outwards and the heels are a little touch more in and it's quite wide. Comes from the sumo wrestlers in Japan who like to do their deep squats as well. You can get as deep with it as you wish, but what we really want to do is just get used to really ramping up the cardio, put your body in what we call fat burning mode, and it's going to hit your legs as well. So we're going to come down, 1, 2. Now you could do this for 20 seconds if you wish, or you could just count the reps. You could do 10 of these, then you could pop down, start doing maybe 10 push-ups, come back up and then do 9 of these, and then 9 push-ups, 8, 8, 7, 7. That's called countdown style workouts. I've done loads of videos like that on my YouTube channel. There's that method, there's the 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest, Tabata style training, or you can go all the way up to 45 seconds on doing that exercise, 15 seconds rest to complete the 1 minute, repeat 5 times, 5-minute workout. But the point with this is you can structure it how you want, and I just want to get you exercising, get your body moving, because that's the most important thing. Yes, we're looking for improvement on burning some fat, tone in the body, all good things like this, but mobility, think about this all through the ages, especially when you're on the latter stage of your life, a little bit more when you're older. You've got to keep the body mobile, it's so important. So exercises like this, I would probably pick a little bit more of a low impact one if you're older, but just take your time. It depends what fitness ability you are as well. Start maybe just by doing a few, see if you can just do about 5 of these, so you can go 1, take your time, 2, and hold it, and 3, and 4, and 1 more, 5. That might be enough at the start, and just shake the body out. You can do micro workouts, which means through the whole day, rather than just doing a fitted workout that maybe you want to work out for 10, 20 minutes each and every day in one block session in the morning, you can just split it up. So maybe you're in the kitchen, you're waiting for something to cook, you can just have a little go, pump out a few of these, or if you've just come back from picking up the kids from school, or if you've just dropped them off, even better for some of you, you can then do the squats, okay? Maybe do your little celebration, as we can do 10 here, and then get on with your day, see? But if you do that through the whole day, micro workouts, they add up, and then they start creating like a snowball effect. And you're still getting the same benefits from it too. Heart rate up, good for cardiovascular, overall body health. Hope you've enjoyed this. Combining 2 exercises into one works wonders. Try it out. Share this with your family and friends. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the very next video. Take care for now.